I look after financial independence planning, financial planning, investment strategy required for an individual, ongoing investors or a new investor approaching us, either a retail investor, HNI, UHNI or UHNI family.
Hello, Mr. Durgesh.
Hi.
Are you ready for your rapid fire questions?
Absolutely, please.
So, when I'm starting a business, how should I consider my finances? How should I know what should I put in money in?
Very first important is whether it's a practice or you are into manufacturing. Based on the priority, you need to plan about your manpower, about your machinery, about your processes, and if it is deployed well, you will be able to generate the money out of your right investments made at the right place, at the right time, in a right tune.
How do I recognize that I have become successful financially?
Success defines very differently person to person, but the stage where you feel during the journey, I have achieved something, I have accomplished something, it is a milestone driven feeling. So it is a continuous journey of feeling and emotions of achievements and accomplishments.
What will I need to focus more on to reach my financial vision and goal?
Financial vision, that means the money, the wealth,
Yes.
fine. Again, that depends on an aspiration, lifestyle. One individual or one family is thinking about. Okay, if you want to explore the entire world, you need big money. If you want to explore India, you need big lesser. So your lifestyle is very directly linked to your wealth size.
What should be my goal for my business? My final goal for my business?
The purpose you did when you started your business.